Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a review of a true classic muscle machine, the Pontiac GTO. Not just any version though, we're talking about a rare twist, a drum truck style setup that blends muscle car power with utility vibes. Let's get right into it. Starting with the exterior, the Pontiac GTO's aggressive styling is unmistakable. The wide stance, dual hood scoops, and sharp grille design scream performance. The lines flow cleanly from front to back, giving it that vintage muscle aesthetic that's still turning heads decades later. Our review model features a custom drum truck bed, an aftermarket modification that replaces the rear seats and trunk with a flat utility area. It's a creative twist for those who want style and practicality in one aggressive-looking package. Inside, the GTO keeps it classic. The cabin is simple but bold, with a driver-focused dash, analog gauges, and minimal distractions. The materials aren't luxury level, but that's not what this car is about. It's about raw power and attitude. The seats are supportive, wrapped in vintage-style leather or vinyl, and you've got just enough tech to keep things functional. Think basic audio, AC, and retro switches. If you're sitting in this car, it's because you love the drive, not the gadgets. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the GTO truly shines. Under the hood, you're likely looking at a monstrous version 8, anything from a 389 to a 455 cubic inch engine, depending on the year and modifications. Our reviewed model pushes out around 360 to 400 horsepower, delivering a deep, throaty exhaust note and impressive acceleration. Rear-wheel drive, solid suspension, and that raw muscle car torque mean this thing is a beast on straight roads and a thrill at stoplights. The drum brakes on this custom version might not offer the same stopping power as modern disc systems, but they do add to that authentic retro feel. When it comes to pricing, values vary a lot. A stock, well-maintained GTO might set you back anywhere from $30,000 to over $70,000 depending on year, rarity, and condition. Custom builds like this drum truck version can either lower or raise the value, depending on the buyer. You might find a modified GTO drum truck style model anywhere in the $25,000 to $50,000 range. Maybe more if the build quality is high and the modifications are tastefully done. So, is the Pontiac GTO drum truck worth it? If you're a fan of muscle cars, love turning heads, and don't mind trading some modern comforts for a wild ride with personality, then absolutely. It's unique, it's loud, and it brings that old-school American muscle energy in a way few vehicles can. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments what vehicle you want to see next. Catch you in the next one.